steps?
Yes.
All right. So, we're gonna do, we'll do the left turn, right turn, and full 360.
Oh, you want the left one first this time?
No, so we'll do right turn. So we're gonna go from here to stepping out,
Right.
turn, right turn, left turn, connect, and 360. Okay. Alright. Let's go ahead and connect. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. 5, 6, 7, 8. Reverse. Connect and turn. Remember, not too far out of the way.
Long leg.
Yeah. Big leg just right. All right. Okay. So now that we, after you're done with the turn, we're going back to our basic one place. Because so we did